Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making seafood bowl. First boil sweet corn and potato on low heat for 10 minutes. Salt as per taste. Butter 3 tablespoons. Garlic chopped 2 tablespoons. Chopped onion 1 cup. Saute for 2 minutes. Now add prawns 250 grams. Crab 250 grams. Salt as per taste. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoons. Nor seasoning mix 3 tablespoons optional. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, saute for 2 minutes. Water 2 cups. Sausages 100 grams. Cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Boil sweet corn and potato. Boiled egg. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how to clean prawns, check my video. See ya, bye.